And now what we have to do is to obtain a relation between interest rate and real GDP in order to have a relation similar to the curve, which is the IS relation. And we get we will put all the factor with the interest rate on the left hand side and the rest on the right hand side. So we have on the left hand side M2 plus B2, which multiplies the interest rate, which is this term and also this, equal to, we put first the exogenous variables. So we have C0 plus I0 plus X0 plus the current expansion fixed at 11 G bar minus the propensity to consume, which multiplies with some tax. And then we have the other part which we collect y. You can easily check that if the computation is exact, but in this case we will have minus 1 minus C1, which multiplies with 1 minus t is the denominator of the multiplier, minus b1 plus m1, which multiply the level of income. You can easily check that you can obtain this relation from the previous. We can call this alpha. Okay, we can call with alpha. So alpha is the sensitivity of the total expenditure to the interest rate, which is given by the sum of the sensitivity of imports and investments. This is the autonomous part aggregate of the total expenditure, we will call it A, and this coefficient, which is the denominator multiplier, we will call it B. So finally, we can write the IS relation as alpha I equal A minus BY, which implies that I is equal to A divided by alpha minus B divided by alpha, which multiplies income, and is the IS relation. We can also prove this relation is this slope is negative, and this is the intercept. So the IS relation in the space interest rate income is this. So this is the IS relation. So the intercept over alpha and the slope is negative. This negative relation displays the set of interest rate y and real GDP, which is the goods market. If we start from point A, for instance, and we in this point we have equilibrium in the goods market. If the interest rate goes down, we have no equilibrium in the goods market, implying that given this level of income, at this point we can call it B. We will have that the total expenditure will be lower than income. Why? Because of the it's the opposite, is greater than income. Greater than income because of the lower interest rate. And this will imply through the multiplier effect an increase in income toward the point C, your equilibrium point C. The same may apply to an increasing interest rate, which leads to a reduction in total expenditure. If you imagine an increasing interest rate in point D, the total expenditure is lower than income because of the higher interest rate, which decreases the level of investment net exports. and this should lead to a reduction in GDP through multiplier effect because of the lower total expenditure. So this is the IS relation. Given the intercept of the IS relation, which is A over alpha, so the IS relation, if we have an increase in A, then this an increase in A the shift, the curve, the relation will shift on the right. Why? Because we have an increase in the autonomous demand, in the exogenous demand. Or we can have an increase in A, because, for instance, we have an expansion in the fiscal policy, which increases government expenditure or reduces the lump sum taxes, or a positive demand shock like increasing household trust, firm trust, Z0, I0, or GDP, X0. All these factors will shift the IS relation to the left. The opposite holds. If you have a reduction in A, typical examples are the recessionary or restrictive fiscal policy, reducing government expenditure, increasing lump sum taxes, or negative demand shock like reduces in firms or households trust and or GDP are examples that shift the IS relation on the left. Another thing that we have considered in the LM relation, remember LM is increasing in this space. The expansionary monetary policies implies a shift on the right of the relation of the LM relation, while restrictive monetary policy, it's better to call them A and B. So expansionary monetary policy shift the LM to the right. Restrictive monetary policy shift the LM to the left. And this is what we now we have to derive the equilibrium